Welcome to Tutor Online. New Syllabus Mathematics Book 1 7th edition, Chapter 1, Primes, Highest Common Factor and Lowest Common Multiple, Exercise 1B, Question number 8, Intermediate Level. Question number 8. Two race cars, car X and car Y, are at the starting point of a 2-kilometer track at the same time. Car X and car Y make one lap every 60 seconds and every 80 seconds respectively. How long, in seconds, will it take for both cars to be back at the starting point at the same time? How long, in minutes, will it take for the faster car be 5 laps ahead of the slower car? Part 1. In order to calculate how long in seconds will it take for both cars to be back at the starting point at the same time, we have to calculate lowest common multiple of 60 and 80. For calculating LCM, we have to calculate factors of 60 and 80. To do so we will use prime factorization method. By prime factorization of 60, we have factors of 60 that are 2, 2, 3, and 5. By prime factorization of 80, we have factors of 80 that are 2, 2, 2, 2, and 5. For lowest common multiple, write all numbers in product form that are common in factors of both numbers. Also write numbers that are not common. Write common number only one time. Here common factors are 2, 2, and 5. And the factors that are not common are 2, 2, and 3. By multiplying these factors we have LCM of 60 and 80, that is 240. Therefore, after 240 seconds both cars are back at starting point at the same time. Part 2. In order to calculate how long in minutes will it take for the faster car be 5 laps ahead of the slower car. First, we will calculate time in seconds, then convert them to minutes. As it is given that slower car X complete 1 lap in 60 seconds. And the faster car Y complete 1 lap in 80 seconds. So, from this we know that faster car Y is 20 seconds ahead of slower car X. So, the faster car is 1 lap ahead after completing 3 laps as shown in table. After completing 1 lap car Y is 20 seconds ahead of car X. After completing second lap it is 40 seconds ahead of car X. And after third lap it is 60 seconds ahead of car X, that is the time taken by car X to complete 1 lap, so now car Y is 1 lap ahead of car X. So, car Y is 1 lap ahead of car X, each time it completes a set of 3 laps. Hence car Y will require 15 laps to get 5 laps ahead of car X. As it is given that car Y completes its 1 lap in 80 seconds, so, for 15 laps it will take 15 multiplied by 80 seconds, that is equal to 1200 seconds. So now we know that the car Y is 5 laps ahead of car X after 1200 seconds, but we require answer in minutes, so we will convert 1200 seconds into minutes. To do so, we will divide 1200 by 60, because each minute is equal to 60 seconds, by dividing 1200 by 60 we have 20 as a result. Therefore, after 20 minutes car Y is 5 laps ahead of car X. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel by clicking the button below. Also press bell icon in order to get notifications of our future videos.